I'll show you how to remove background noise in InShot on your phone. Follow these steps to enhance audio quality easily and effectively. It's quite straightforward, so let's get started with this process, as you can see here, step by step. Let's explore steps to effectively remove unwanted noise from your video, as you can see. Open InShot, add your video, and follow the steps carefully. Next, locate the voice engine in this track, as you can see here, and proceed carefully. Click on it. Carefully select the section with noise, as you can see here, and proceed. For example, this video has background noise. Click to select the last option carefully, as shown here. Here, the voice gets louder, while there it becomes softer, as you can see. Adjust settings carefully. I think you've got the idea. If your background noise is really intense, as you can see, follow these steps carefully. Simply set to voice only, as you can see, to minimize noise effectively. This setting reduces background noise significantly, as shown here. It's done easily and simply, as you can see. You can do the same with music if it's noisy or has unwanted sounds. Just apply the same steps, as you can see, to clean it up effectively. You set it to silence, as you can see here. That's it now. Thank you all for watching. Wishing you the best of luck, and goodbye now.